Hi, it's me, Joyce. It's still the same. It's only been 2 or 3 weeks, so it's really made any significant progress in losing weight, as you can see. Anyways, we're having on keeping along. I just wanted to show you guys what kind of stuff we eat. This wonton noodle, it costs about $1.25 in US dollars. Same thing with this fried fish skin. It tastes good. You dip it into the soup, and that's how you eat it. It actually tastes very good. Don't be freaked out by fish skin. And that dish my mom's eating is just your standard beef rice noodle. That one also costs $1.25. So total, it comes out to about $5 US for the 2 of us. It's not bad for a meal, actually. So anyways, yeah, talk to you guys later.
Hey.